Okay, we're given a sequence of numbers. Let me just write them down for you. You know, minus 3, relatively simple, minus 12, minus 48. We're kind of looking at those. Yeah, it looks geometric, but let me just go through that with you. If it's geometric, there will be a common ratio. Let me write this down. A1 minus 3. A2 would be minus 12. A3 is minus 48. And common ratio, let me put this down, R. That would be the ratio A2 over A1. And that would be minus 12 over minus 3, which is 4. And this certainly appears to be the case. And you could write the terms down, right? So let's write the terms down. Minus 3, minus 12, minus 48. And again, we're multiplying by 4. So 4 times 48, 160, and 32, 192. Now again, it gets more difficult, but I got to do 4 times 192. Let me just do that real quick. 400, 360, and then an 8. What does that give you? Well, 768. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, that's minus 768, sorry. What's the next one going to be? Well, 4 times 768, that's going to be minus 768. I realize I'm saying 768, but I mean minus 768. That's 2,800. Then 240, and then 32. And we get there 2, 7, so it's going to be 3072. So what do they want you to do? They want you to find the last term and the sum of that, all right? But they say 6 terms. Now, granted, you could add those together. Certainly, I don't want to do that. What I want to do is I want to use the formulas. So let's write this down. And AN is equal to A1 times R to the n minus 1. Well, let's write this down. A6 is going to be equal to A1, which is minus 3. What's the R? Well, the R was 4, right? And then what's over here, 5. All right, so I got, you know, some troubles. I got to do 4 to the 5th power now. So it's going to be minus 3. That's going to be 10, 24. 4 times 4 is 16, 64. 64, yes, 64, 512, 1024. Okay, that's not bad. So what do you over there? Minus 3,000, and that's only 72, 3,072. All right, we're getting that. We're getting that. Now let's write the sum down. And again, we derived the formulas. Hopefully this is well understood at this point. I don't really enjoy the computation, but I'll write it down for you. We want to do S6. This is the 6th partial sum, which means I'm adding all 6 of these terms together. Yes, you could do that without a formula. What do you get over here? Let's write this down. This will be 1 minus, well, again, the R is 4, right? To the 6th power. And then it's going to be 1 minus 4, and that's going to be minus 3 over here. All right? Again, a little more complicated. I go to the next page, do the arithmetic, and let's take a look at it. By the way, before I do the arithmetic, I want to point out we are writing these answers down for you, and we put some work down. All right? Now, I realize for a lot of students they don't want to do the arithmetic, and I understand that, but I'm going to say it really doesn't look that bad to me. It's 1 minus 4 to the 6th power. And then, you know, I got minus 3 divided by minus 3. That's going to be 1. And then I got to do 4 to the 6th power. Well, a little more challenging for me. It's 1,024 times 4, and that's going to be 4,096. I'll write that down. Times 1. What are you getting over here? Minus 4,095. Yes, you can use calculators if you want. And again, let me write this down. This is S6. Did we get it? We got it. All right, thank you.